One, two, three.
Hello friends, my name is Heydi L. I am a secondary student at San Pablo High School belonging to a Kichwa community. This video is my English project in which I will talk about the belief of my Kichwa culture of my beautiful Amazon region from Ecuador, in which I am going to mention some beliefs. If you eat rabbit heart in the future, you will have panic in public. If you eat unripe avocado in the future, you will have problem intestinal. If a man touch a woman's hair, the hair will start to become to get damaged and will take a long time to grow. If a ghost appears and wants to hurt you, you must defend yourself only with the left arm and not with the right, because the right arm is for good and the left arm for evil. Therefore, you do not defend yourself with the left hand, can hurt you. If a white snake appears in your house, means you will look at a deceased family member. If you dream of being hurt by a monkey, it means that you will have a very serious accident. If you dream of observing a long crystalline river, it means that the first one you greet will have a happy and long life. If you dream what you should do, it means that you are going to get. Thank you all. I am very happy to have been able to share with you a bit of the belief of my Kichwa culture, and I hope you had liked my video. Bye bye. This video is my English project in which I will talk about the belief of my and the left arm for evil. Therefore, if you do not defend yourself with the left hand, can hurt you. Tama.